Don't forget to visit www.lean6sigmaforall.eu.
This is Andy Friedman with Industry Week at 2015 Best Plants, and I am with John Dyer, noted process improvement expert, speaker, and consultant. And where would you say the state of lean operations, lean transformation is today with American manufacturing?
Yeah, obviously some companies are doing really well with lean and have made a lot of gains, a lot of progress, and have seen really terrific results. Some plants I have visited over the years, though, kind of what I would have is the facade of lean. They have a lot of the tools in place, but they don't necessarily follow the guidelines and the structure that's been put there, especially when they get into a crisis mode. It's almost like as soon as problems start hitting, they revert right back to the old ways of doing things. And that can be very frustrating for the shop floor folks, especially. And then, surprisingly, there's still a lot of companies that haven't even scratched the surface yet with lean. The other thing is that lean is starting to propagate outside of manufacturing, which is very interesting. But again, I think that's a huge opportunity, to get the finance department to start implementing some of the same techniques, sales, marketing, even other industries. Hospitals are now applying a lot of the lean principles and seeing tremendous improvements in their customer satisfaction. So it's exciting to see it propagate out to other industries, other departments, but again, we've just scratched the surface in those areas, so it's still a long way to go.
So, we're talking a lot at Best Plants, and of course next year at Manufacturing Technology that we're going to be having about the propagation of Internet of Things and connected devices and data going from everywhere to everywhere. How can lean really benefit from that process, or how can that process benefit lean?
Well, it's interesting because if you think about a typical IT type implementation, a lot of times people try to apply new technologies to broken processes and don't really get very good results. So my experience has been, if you can improve your processes by applying the lean principles and then apply some of the new technologies, things go much smoother and the impact can be tenfold. So that's one lesson, and I think a lot of companies have learned that over the years. They try to implement a new technology platform with broken processes and say, well, why aren't we getting better results? So again, you got to reverse that. Fix the process, streamline the process, then apply the new technologies, and you'll see huge gains.
Lean implementation expert John Dyer, thank you very much. This is Andy Friedman with Industry Week at 2015 Best Plants.